Welcome to Crystal Coast from Excel Universal School, Bazango, Cuba. Here we inspire our students to approach each year with optimism and determination. Join us as we step into the year with hope for greatness. My name is Jeffrey Obaniwa and enjoy this inspiring quote from our learners.
Hi everyone, my name is Pekuya Oche from Excel Universal School. Expect the best, prepare for success, and embrace every opportunity. Thank you.
Guys, my name is Hamda Musa. I'm from Excel University Preparatory School. Set your goals high and expect to soar above them. Thank you. Every sunrise is the promise of something amazing. My name is Bliss Ndeko. Thank you.
The power of expectation is the first step to a phenomenal year. My name is Victor Moses.
This year is your canvas. Paint it with hope, love, and positivity. My name is Mary Ojoka from Excel Universal Preparatory School. Thank you.
My name is Jacqueline Osu. Step into this year with faith, hope, and the mindset for success.
When you expect sources, you attract it into your life. My name is Victor Niji.
Expect miracle and watch the unfold. My name is Andrew David.
Start the year with confidence. Expect the best and it will follow. My name is Minachi Ezechinedu from Excel Universal School.
Good day, everyone. My name is Zara Ojuju from Excel Universal School. Start the year with gratitude and expect more to be grateful for it. Thank you.